Germain. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Germain ha, hindi German. And Germain spelled like that, hindi yung kapatid ni Michael Jackson. Masyadong luma yung reference. Anyway, germain is an adjective. It's a word that describes something. And something that is germane is relevant or mahalaga dun sa issue na pinag-uusapan. It also means appropriate or akma doon sa pinag-uusapan o sa sitwasyon. Now, I wanted to cover this word kasi yung germane, yung first part niya, the first 4 letters ay germ. So when you think about germs, parang negative siya. It's one of those times na kung mahuhulaan mo, baka mali yung hula mo. Dahil iba yung reference, kumbaga, na paghuhugutan mo. Gaya ng maraming bagay sa buhay, hindi porket hindi maganda tingnan, hindi na tama. Now, if you want to use it in a sentence, you could say something like, the host reminded them to keep their comments germane to the issue at hand. Pinaalalahanan sila ng host na huwag masyadong malayo yung mga tinatanong o sinasabi nila tungkol sa issue. Alright, that's today's word of the day. Para ninyo makalimutan, gamitin na sentence, comment nyo sa baba, and don't forget to follow me for more.